Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, often called the red planet because of its reddish iron oxide. Scientists want to go beneath the surface to find its potential as a place to live for humans in the distant future.
The essence of being able to detect earthquakes, or indeed mars-quakes, is to have a mass on a spring.
Academics at Imperial University have invented sensors to find out about the environment there. These graphics from NASA show how the instruments will work after the launch from California this weekend.
We made the sensors at Imperial, in the labs here. We fabricated them with a team. The preliminary work was done nearly 10 years ago. In fact, the colleagues, the guys who worked on this early on, we're meeting up for the launch.
The landing on Mars is expected in November. It's a risky business, but if all goes well, the sensors developed in London will be lowered onto the red surface to find out about details like temperature and quakes. This telescope is more than 100 years old, but even with some of the most powerful ones available in the world today, you can only get a really good view of Mars every few years. What this spacecraft will do is give scientists a really good idea of what life's like on the red planet.
We're going to also have a heat flow and physical properties probe.
Americans at NASA may be leading the launch, but London scientists are world leaders in pioneering space projects across our solar system.
There's an enormous scientific base in the capital, and space and astronomy is a big part of that. So, for example, there are groups here that are thinking very hard about missions to go back to the moon. We have a very strong team up at UCL looking at planets around other stars, exoplanets, thinking about whether there's life elsewhere in the universe.
London scientists are hoping their years of work will bring back cold, hard data, which could just alter the future of mankind. Sarah Harris, BBC London News.